Well, I knew my grandmother, my father's mother. My grandfather, the man that I'm named after, died many years before I was born. I'm named after him, so he couldn't have been alive. I knew my grandmother as a wonderful, wonderful woman. She used to call me katchkaleh. Katchkaleh is the Yiddish word for duck. Why she called me katchkaleh, which means duckling, I have absolutely no idea, because I didn't look like a duck or walk like a duck or quack like a duck, but she was a lovely woman. I was 8 years old when we moved away from Brooklyn, which is where I knew my grandmother from, so I didn't really know her terribly well. But every Passover, my father and I would go back from Detroit, where we had moved, back to Brooklyn for the Passover Seder, and I would always see my grandmother, and she would call me katchkaleh, katchkaleh. I remember with the inflection in her voice.